Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I got my Lisa Eldridge package. So this is how it comes. This is the box it comes in. It's a huge box, you can see that. And I wanted to do this unboxing for you. So let's go ahead and get started. I haven't opened anything, but the first package comes like this. And let's open this up. It comes in this beautiful, let me back up. So it comes in this beautiful bag like this, and I ordered her sweatshirt. Now come winter time, I'm living in sweatshirts, so I thought I'd get one of these. Oh, and it's one of those thick ones. And here's what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I got mine in an extra large because I like it to be really roomy. Like I can fit my daughter in here with me. So I got this. I got the Lisa Eldridge sweatshirt. And then the rest of the box came wrapped like this. So let's go through what I ordered and try all these on. It also came with these Lisa Eldridge little stickers. I think I'm gonna put one of these on my water bottle if it's the waterproof kind. And the lips are raised. That's so great. Oh, you can't see it that way. Okay, so when her release came, I went online and most of the lip glosses were already sold out unless I purchased a kit, which was convenient for me because I was gonna purchase some lipstick anyway, but it forced my hand. And these velvet slash corduroy, like the best kind of corduroy, makeup cases are just gorgeous. So let's go through these one by one. So I got 3 of the lip kits and one of these. This is where you personalized it. So we'll go through this one last. I'm gonna go in no particular order, since I don't know what's in here, and I'm unboxing this with you. Let's open the first one. Okay, it comes with a Lisa Eldridge lip liner, and this lip pencil is in the color, it's made in Germany, and it's got a 24-month shelf life. Enhance and Define Lip Pencil in Beauty. So this one is in Beauty. Let's go ahead and, this is what the tip looks like. It's one of those that you sharpen. And let's put that right here. Ooh, that's a pretty pink, isn't it? Okay, let's open the True Velvet Lip Color. It also comes in this golden white packaging, and it has the Lisa emblem on there. And this is, it's a Velvet Beauty. And this is the first time I'm getting Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. I didn't get it last time, or the last 2 releases. Oh, and it's in this hefty gold, brush gold packaging. And it's got the satisfying magnetic closure. This is what this color looks like. Okay, so this is the Velvet Beauty kit, Fantasy Florals lip kit, and it's a new wave vibrant rose pink, the perfect tone for celluloid and ingenues everywhere. Blue undertones lend it a fresh innocence. Think of Jean Seberg and About de Souffle. This is the lip color she might have worn. The Enhance and Define Beauty liner in this kit is the same tone as a gloss and lipstick, but is a touch deeper in intensity for added definition. My lip pencils are a gel formula that glides on smoothly and evenly dries the lips, I think is what she's trying to say. Once set, they are completely smudge and waterproof. Remove with an oil-based makeup remover. Okay, the one thing I noticed here, it's got that beautiful velvet finish. Can you guys see that? That's so pretty. That's typical Lisa Eldridge. This is the Velvet Beauty in blush. Let's go ahead and swipe this right here next to it. Look at how close those lip liners and lipstick goes. Okay, let's open the lip gloss. It also comes, it says Gloss Embrace. And let's go ahead and open this up. And this is what the packaging looks like. So let me compare it to the lipstick. It's almost the same height, but look at how much fatter it is. See that? So this is in the Beauty. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, let's try these on. How should I do this? Let's see. Let's try just the gloss by itself. I want to see how pigmented it is on its own. Ooh, that's pigmented. Look at that. It feels really smooth. It's not sticky. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that's so comfortable. Yes. It's so comfortable, but it's not so thin that you're gonna need to reapply right away, but it's got more substance than that, but it's not so thick and sticky that you get the lines. So there's that. Let's try this with the lip liner and the lipstick. So this one is in Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with the lip liner. That is so smooth. It doesn't even tug. Oh, that is a comfortable lip liner. Okay, so there's that. Let's try the lipstick. Again, this is in Beauty. This is what the color looks like. This lipstick is very comfortable. It's not totally moisturizing. Like there's some friction when I'm doing this. So let me bring you in closer so you can see my lips. But the pigment is there. And very comfortable, very comfortable. So that's what it looks like with just the lipstick and the lip liner. Now let's try including the gloss, because these are all supposed to work together. Ooh. Ooh, that just takes it up a notch. So this one is in Beauty. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, the next one is called Blush. So let's see what it says about blush. Archetypal pink berry inspired by the flushed painterly hues of Rococo artists such as Watteau, Fragonard, and Boucher. A sensual boudoir shade with muted cool undertones. It doesn't get much prettier or more intensely feminine than this. Varies from a naturally flushed lip if applied as a stain to a full berry pout. Okay, let's try this. So this is Velvet Blush. I'm gonna do that right here. Oh, that's pretty. It kind of looks similar to Beauty, doesn't it? Let's see. It's a little more bluish undertones. Okay, let's try the lip color. So this is what blush looks like. Do you see that velvet? Isn't that pretty? So let me swatch this right here. All right. And then let's try the lip gloss. And the packaging comes like this. Okay, so we know that these have pigments just with the glosses by themselves, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lip liner. Again, really smooth. Okay, so that's just with the lip liner. Then let's go ahead and put on this lipstick and let's compare it to the Beauty. So this one is Beauty and this one is Blush. So Beauty is more pink and this has more of a blue undertone. Okay, let's try this on. Ooh, this is pretty. Again, same consistency. It's so pigmented, but it doesn't feel thick. So let's try this on. See, I don't know how I feel about dark glosses, because I feel like it won't fade right, you know what I mean? So there's Beauty. It's pretty. I wonder how long these will last. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this one is in the color Muse. I'm going to put that right up here. Muse. That's more of a muted pink, like a brownish pink, but let's see what it says about Muse. Muse is an immaculate smoky rosewood, the classic neutral pinky brown shade every woman should have in her collection. If this were a perfume, the top note would be rose, the heart notes would be cedar and saffron, and the base notes would be woods and musks. Oh, okay, let's try this in the velvet lip color. So this is what Muse looks like. You can see the velvet there. So pretty. Let me swatch this right up here. So that's Muse. Let me open the lip gloss. And this is what the lip gloss looks like. And let's go ahead and swatch this. So that's what that one looks like. These all look a little bit like you don't need all of them. Let me just say that. So let's go ahead and put on this one, the Muse. I'm sure if I filled in the whole lip with the lip liner, the lipstick would last a lot longer. Let's put on the lipstick. Oh, this is a pretty color. My lips are starting to get dry from all the swatching. And then let's go ahead and put on the gloss. I think this one is my favorite so far. So this one is Muse. Okay, I got the kit that you can, so let's go ahead and open this kit up first. And I picked the red just because. So I got some of her other older lipsticks. Okay, so I got 3 lipsticks. They're right here. And these are some of her older releases. I got Love of My Life. Oh, they sent me 2 Love of My Life and Skyscraper Rose. So let's look at this. Can that be right? 2 of the, oh, I wonder why I got 2 Love of My Life. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my order. Okay, well, I'm not gonna swatch one. So I have Love of My Life. This is what the color looks like. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Isn't that fun? Okay, let's swatch that right here. Look at how fun that color is. I'm sorry, these swatches are so bad. I should have done it on my arm. So this one right here, this pink is Love of My Life. Let's try this on. And I forgot to show you that it has the Lisa Eldridge emblem on there. Can you see that? Oh. Oh, that feels so good. Even on my chapped or my lips that are so raw from all this wiping, this feels so good. This is Love of My Life. Ooh, I like this color. Okay, Love of My Life. And the other lipstick I got is Skyscraper Rose. This is also one of her older releases. And this one looks like this. It's like her velvet ones. You can see the velvet there. So pretty. So let's try this one on. Okay, so this is Skyscraper Rose. Wow, it looks so really bright on my lips, doesn't it? Maybe it does on here too. So let me swatch that right here. Look how bright that looks next to the other colors. Right there. So that's Skyscraper Rose. I think I like the formula of the Love of My Life the best because it's more like a gloss, a little more moisturizing, I should say. So that's it. The last 2 that I got were the Love of My Life and Skyscraper Rose. For some reason, I have 2 of the Love of My Life, and I'm gonna have to figure out what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna end on Love of My Life. There you have it, my Lisa Eldridge haul. What do you guys think? Were you interested in any of these? Did you pick any of these up? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know which was your favorite. I think my favorite from this current collection was Muse, the rosewood kind of color. This one right up here. But you know what? I don't think you necessarily need all of these. I do like this one, Muse, and I think I'm gonna get the most wear out of this one. This one, the Love of My Life, is the most emollient feeling lipstick. That's one I have on right now. So I'm curious to see how these are gonna wear. I'll keep you posted in my monthly roundups. So that's it for my Lisa Eldridge haul. I'm pleased with how everything worked out. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.